So the other thing that's really nice about the Eagle 3 is we have 2 millimeters of screen protection. So what that means is if you do happen to drop this on the cart path, like if we look at this cart path here, see how it's super bumpy, and that's so you obviously get some grip in the cart, but also if you drop your phone with a normal case, there's a good chance it's going to crack the screen. So I can take this case with total confidence and know, even though I dropped it on the screen, when I pick it up, it's going to be perfectly fine. So protection is a big thing for us, but we also were able to do that in a really, really slim profile. So it doesn't take up a lot of space when it is in your pocket.